Hey brother, so I was out here on the property and I was doing some grading on the driveway. So there was a lot of forward and back, and I came over here to drop the blade off, and see how floppy this is? Well, all of a sudden I had no power, and these are flopping all over. There's no resistance on these, so I'm going to show you how you got to fix this. This is on my Kioti CS2510. Now this thing's like 6-7 years old. I've done this a handful of times already, and I think I'll show you what happened anyway. But there's 4 bolts on this bottom plate on each side you got to take out. Now this is in the way, so I'm going to show you how to get this out of the way. There is, let's see if you can see it there, this hairpin clip right here. You can grab a hold of that, get that out of there. You can slide that back. See, now it's out of the way. Now you can flip that up and get at it. Let me get to the other side. So that roll pin right there has worked itself loose, and that's what drives this bar here that comes down. This attaches to the pedals, and this is what controls your forward reverse. So I just gotta knock that in. This has done this a couple times. I've changed the roll pin. I don't know what the hell is going on, if it was whopped out. It's a little whopped out. I probably need to go to an oversized roll pin for it, but I'm just gonna drive it back in for now because I don't have any extra roll pins on me at the moment. So what I'm gonna do is take a hammer, go. It might have been easier to get from the other side. I could have got a better angle at it, but yeah, you want to drive that roll pin back in. So I was just thinking about it though. I think I'm going to put a wire in there and tie the wire, and that'll keep that from shifting. So let me go get a piece of wire. Alright, so the only way to get this all the way out is to take those rubber caps off. I guess you really don't need to, but you're going to want to pull those bolts if you want to get the foot pedals off. And then you can access this a little bit better, but I'm trying to save some time. I'm just going to prop this up. So I got a piece of 12 gauge copper. I'm going to go right through here, through the roll pin, and bend this up. And I want to bend this together. And I'll start by kind of twisting it with my hand. Alright, so now I can take my linesman pliers, grab a hold of this. I'm just going to spin it till it's nice and tight against the steel. Okay. Now I'm going to trim off all this extra. Like so. And let me see if I can flex that down. Just hammer this down a little bit. Put it down so it wasn't sticking up. And we should be okay to go. I'll take my prop rod out of here. And then we can set this all back together. Alright, now that that's down the other way, but see, now it's not all floppy, it's nice and tight, and I will be on the roll again. So I'm gonna get back to work. Talk to you later.